back to InSight. I'm here with Ryan from Home Comfort Experts. Let's talk plumbing. It's not something that we just talk about in casual conversation necessarily, except you do probably since you're a plumber, but the rest of us don't. It is something though that we probably ought to have checked out at our house. And as part of your Comfort Club membership, you offer a whole house plumbing inspection, right?
We sure do. Not only do we service your furnace and air conditioner, but we also go through all of your plumbing. So we usually start at the top of the house and we go through, we check out every faucet, every fixture. We make sure everything's working properly. We check drains, we check water lines, and we work our way down until the basement area of the house, all the way through checking all the different fixtures and appliances. Anything that we find, we note, and we try to make sure that we keep a record of that for the homeowner. We go down and we check water softeners, we check the exterior faucets. We also check, as far as the softener, is it properly working? And we also can check the water heater. We make sure that everything is working there. The safety precautions are all there as far as the TMP valves and different things like that. So we go through, we make sure and note everything for the homeowner. And then after the inspection's done, we try to get with the homeowner, sit at the table, go through our list, let them know exactly what we found and the things that we could suggest as far as improvements, and give them options for improving.
Tell me, what are some of the more common things that you find? Do you find that people have some leaks that they didn't know about, or is it just things that could be running more efficiently?
A lot of times it's leaks, and a lot of times it's little things that the homeowner has had over the period of the time, but they've got so used to it they don't realize it's broken. So a lot of times we can bring that to their attention. The other thing is water temperature on a water heater. It's very important to have the right setting on that water temperature, because if you have water temperature too hot, the scald factor is very quick. If a little kid gets in there and turns the hot water up too high, they can get a scald burn within seconds. So we make sure and adjust the water temperature down, make sure things are functioning right, make sure there's no leaks. And then again, if there are issues, we note those and then give the customer options on how we could fix those for them. Some houses we go into and everything is working perfect. So, we can just give them with a smile, let them know that that is, everything's working great, and move on. But that is part of our Comfort Club package, and that is a free inspection for them. It is part of the package.
That would offer a great peace of mind.
Peace of mind, sure. And a lot of times our customers will use the inspection if they think they might be having an issue. That's a good time to have us out, do our inspection. We can look at where their concerns are and then go ahead and inspect the whole rest of the house. And from there, we can put their mind at ease as far as what their problems are. Absolutely,
because I think a lot of times we don't think of plumbing until there's an issue.
Sure. We try to catch things preventatively. If your water heater is starting to leak a little bit around the base, there's a good chance that eventually that's going to rupture and create a major damage. So we try to find that stuff before it happens for the homeowner's sake.
What is a life on hot water heaters now?
They really vary, and a lot of what varies with that is if you have a water softener, that makes your water very aggressive, and it will shorten the life of a water heater if you don't change the anode rods in them very often. So, that really varies. Some of the older tanks were made a little thicker and last a little longer. Typical range of a tank should be 10 years, 12 years, right in that area, but there's a lot of them that fail before that. So each tank is different.
Something that we should have you all look at, because again, I don't want to be without hot water, and I do not want a massive leak. Those are two things I do not want in my house.
Exactly. It causes a lot of damage when you do have the leaks. Not only is it the water damage, but drywall damage, flooring damage. There's a lot of damage that can come from a water leak.
Absolutely. Well, if you would like to become part of the Comfort Club members, become a member
of the Comfort Club. Yep.
Yes, that sentence didn't want to work out for me. All you have to do is give them a call, and that plumbing check, that plumbing inspection is definitely worth it. So give them a call today, 260-490-5100. Check them out online. We'll be right back.